अब देखो क्लास 9 exercise 7.4 question number 1. What did they say? Show that in a right angle triangle the hypotenuse is the longest side. अगर तुम्हारा ट्राइंगल राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल है और वो जो हाइपोटेन्यूज है इट इज द लॉन्गेस्ट साइड, तो एक राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल बनाओ एंड नेम इट एज ABC. ABC, ठीक है. 90 डिग्री का ऑपोजिट साइड क्या होता है? हाइपोटेन्यूज. मुझे दिखाना है कि AC इज द लॉन्गेस्ट साइड. AC इज द लॉन्गेस्ट साइड. अब गिवन पार्ट में लिखो लेट ट्राइंगल ABC, let triangle ABC be a right angle triangle. Let triangle ABC be a right angle triangle where angle B equal to 90 degree. Full stop. AC is the hypotenuse. लिखो AC is the hypotenuse. AC is the hypotenuse. Full stop. To prove that AC is the longest side. To prove that AC is the longest side. Proof. So, what did they say? In triangle ABC, angle B equal to 90 degree. So here angle B is 90 degree. We all know sum of the three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. If B alone is 90 degree, that means sum of angle A and angle C will be how much? 90 degree. Angle A plus angle C is 90 degree. Okay? B alone is 90, so sum of A and C will be 90. So this is the sum of two angles, and this one is the only the value of angle B. So obviously angle B will be greater than angle A. Same way angle B is greater than angle C. B alone is 90 and this is the sum of the two is 90. So B is greater than angle A as well as B is greater than angle C. Just now we got a theorem. The side opposite to greater angle is greater. Angle B opposite side is what? AC. Angle A opposite side is BC. Same case here. Angle B opposite side is AC and angle C opposite side is AB. Here you can write reason. Side opposite to greater angle is greater. Side opposite to greater angle is greater. So AC is longer than BC also, AC is longer than AB also. So what you can conclude? AC is the longest side. AC is the longest side. Copy it. अब देखो एक्सरसाइज 7.4 का क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. व्हाट डिड दे से? साइड्स AB and AC of triangle ABC are extended to P and Q respectively. Also angle PBC less than angle QCB. Show that AC greater AB. Given part, ABC is a triangle. AB is produced to P, AC is produced to Q. Angle PBC means this angle is less than angle QCB. I have to show AC greater AB. So proof part में given part as it is question से लिखोगे और to show that में लिखोगे AC greater AB. So angle ABC and angle PBC, these two sum will be how much? 180 degree. They will make a linear pair. Angle ABC means this one and angle PBC is this one. So angle ABC plus angle PBC equal to 180 degree. Bracket you can write linear pair. Equation 1. Equation 2 what you can write? Angle ACB plus angle QCB equal to 180 degree. Same reason, linear pair. equation 2. From 1 and 2, what I can write? See, equation 1 is equal to 180 degree. Equation 2 is also equal to 180 degree. Right hand side equal, so left part also is equal. Left hand side also will become equal. Angle ABC plus angle PBC equal to angle ACB plus angle QCB. Now look at the board. In the question it is given angle PBC. This angle is less than this angle. PBC is less than QCB. Sum of these two is equal to sum of these two. Of these two terms, this angle is less than this angle. So automatically ABC should be greater than ACB. Reason will be what? Since angle PBC less than angle QCB. Now see an example. 2 plus 3 is 5 and 4 plus 1 is also 5. Both are equal. 2 plus 3, how much you will get? 5. 4 plus 1 is 5. Both are equal to each other. Here 2 is less than what? 2 is less than 4. So the second term should be greater than this one. Okay? Same concept is used here. PBC, angle ABC plus PBC is equal to ACB plus QCB. Here PBC is less than QCB. So this should be greater than this. Otherwise, equal to will not come. Equal to will not come. See this example, 2 plus 3, 5, 4 plus 1, 5. Both are equal to each other. Here 2 is less than 4. So automatically 3 should be what? Greater than 1. Same concept is used here. Copy it. This one is angle ABC. Here angle PBC, okay? Since angle PBC, not PBQ, PBC less than angle QCD. Now see, here ABC, no? B. ABC means angle B or not? Angle B opposite side is what? AC. The side opposite to angle B is AC. And C opposite angle is, sorry, opposite side is AB. Okay, because you have to show what? AC greater than AB. So bracket you can write side opposite to greater angle is greater. Okay, side opposite to greater angle is greater. The triangle name was ABC. So this is the angle. B opposite side is AC. C opposite side is AB. So this is the proof of question number 2. अब देखो, now see question number 3. What did they say? Angle B less than angle A, and here angle C less than angle D. Given part you will write from book angle B less than angle A and angle C less than angle D to show that AD less than BC. So let me write the proof part. So what did they say first? Angle B less than angle A. If you come to this triangle, angle B opposite side is what? Just opposite you see. It is OA. And angle A opposite side is OB. Okay? Angle B was less than angle A. So angle B opposite side and angle A opposite side you written. Here you can write side opposite to larger angle is larger. equation 1. You can mention that triangle name also in triangle AOB. Again, now you come to this triangle. In triangle COD, what did they say? Angle C less than angle D. Angle C less than angle D. So angle C opposite angle is what? Sorry, opposite side is what? OD. And angle D opposite side is OC. Correct? Triangle name is what? COD. Triangle name is COD. You here what it is written? Angle C. So left part is what? OD. Opposite side. D. Left part is OC. Just look opposite side. Give an arrow sign, you will get the opposite side. Equation 2. Now you add up equation 1 plus equation 2. Equation 1, what you can write? OA plus OD less than OB plus OC. Left side plus left hand side plus left hand side, right hand side plus right hand side. OA plus OD. OA plus OD will be what? AD. Same way, OB plus OC will give completely BC. This only you have to prove AD less than BC. I repeat again. In triangle AOB, this triangle, angle B is less than angle A. Angle B is less than angle A. So angle B opposite side is what? OA. Angle A opposite side is OB. So OA less than OB. Side opposite to greater angle is greater. Next you came to this triangle. In triangle COD, angle C is less than angle D. So angle C opposite side is OD. And angle D opposite side is OC. Then you add up equation 1, equation 2. You will get the ultimate result. Copy it.